Why is New York City so prone to flooding? New York is prone to flooding due to several factors that we will review 6 of the main factors in this video. Number 1. Coastal location. New York City is located along the Atlantic Ocean, making it vulnerable to storm surges from hurricanes and tropical storms. These surges can lead to coastal flooding, especially in low-lying areas. Number 2. Rising sea levels. Climate change has contributed to rising sea levels. This increases the risk of coastal flooding in low-lying regions of the city, particularly during high tide events and storm surges.
Everybody's taking a picture of it. It's crazy, like, oh.
Number 3. Geographical features. Some parts of New York City, like Lower Manhattan and parts of Brooklyn, are built on low-lying land. This makes them more susceptible to inundation during heavy rains or storm surges. Number 4. Urbanization and infrastructure. The extensive urban development in New York City has led to a high concentration of impermeable surfaces like concrete and asphalt. This limits natural drainage and exacerbates flooding during heavy rainfall. Number 5. Complex hydrology. The city's intricate network of rivers, bays, and estuaries can amplify flooding. Heavy rainfall or storm surges can lead to rapid water level increases in these water bodies. Number 6. Aging infrastructures. Some of the city's drainage and flood control systems may not be equipped to handle the increasing frequency and intensity of extreme weather events. These combined factors increase the city's vulnerability to flooding events. Efforts to manage and mitigate flooding should be done through infrastructure improvements, zoning regulations, and climate resilience initiatives.